This initial solution will show you how to make temporary email address. If you want to get a free disposable email address, then here are some best disposable email services you can choose from. Number 1, TempMail, disposable temporary email. TempMail is the best disposable temporary email provider that offers secure and free temporary email address and helps you avoid spam and keep your data safe. In addition, TempMail generates a disposable 10-minute mail for you that is self-destructed after 10 minutes. So this website URL is temp-mail.org, and open this website. Then here you will get a temporary email address. You can copy this email address and you can use it to create a new website. You can use this email to complete OTP verify. And here you will get the inbox. Number 2, 10-minute mail. If you need an email only for a few minutes, 10-minute mail should be your go-to tool. You can create disposable emails that last for 10 minutes and the address and its inbox content self-destruct after 10 minutes. So the 10-minute website link is 10minutemail.com, and once here you will get a temporary email address. You can copy it from here, then you can use this email to OTP to complete OTP verification, and click on this inbox to open the inbox. Number 3, ThrawAnyMail, free temporary email. ThrawAnyMail gives you a free email that is self-destructed after 48 hours. It is easy and simple to use. Just go to the website and fake email address will be generated that you can use easily. And the website URL is ThrawAnyMail.com. Once you are in this page, click on click here to show your email and fix the captcha. Click on I'm not a robot. And then here you will get a temporary email address that you can use. So this is how we can make temporary email address. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.